Guys, now we are at the artist section. This is a part of Jaguar, but it's a much higher end range. And Tara ma'am will tell us more about this section.
Yeah. So this floor is completely Artie's collections. It's a luxury brand from Jaguar Group. It's an exclusive designer range, and we can just go through the complete range as in then. I'll just explain you the different concepts or the showers what we have.
Okay, sure. Let's get it.
So these are again the different showering concepts from Artie's collections. When it comes to Artie's, the quality of the raw material, the brass what we use is extruded solid brass rods, which is one of the finest brass what we can say. And even the cartridges what we use are one of the finest cartridges like feather touch cartridges, which will be very smooth operating wise. And even the chromium thickness is like 0.4 microns, which is highest and which gives you a mirror kind of finish. Okay, and obviously, like the design wise, Artie's is a designer range. We have very exclusive straight line designs with different concepts and exclusive award winning models as well.
Okay.
And mainly coming to shower concepts, in Artie's we have all these ceiling mounted rain joy shower options with different sizes and with different functions.
Okay.
Okay. So when it comes to ceiling showers, we call these showers are rain joy showers.
Okay.
We have the smallest shower, the first one what you can see, that's one of the smallest size, about 1 feet 2 inches it starts with.
Okay.
Then we have 1.5 feet, then 2 feet, and then we have the square one or the oval or the very biggest size. It ends with like 3 feet kind of a size.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so we have different sizes in this and with different functions. Like the basic one starts with 2 functions.
Okay.
The first one is with rain and the mist option.
Okay.
So we'll have rain like usual, and mist, as I've told you, it's a soft spray kind of a thing which gives you a soothing effect. Next to that is this one with slightly bigger in size, almost like 1.5 feet by 1 feet size. Again with 2 functions where you have a rain with cascade. There's a center cascade flow like a waterfall flow. And in the same shower, instead of cascade, if you want to have a mist option, we have mist also. Okay. Next to that is the 2 feet shower, what you can see there. It's with 3 functions with chromotherapy light. So the 2 small showers, basic ones, doesn't have chromotherapy light. So the 2 feet shower starts with chromotherapy light option.
Okay.
And it is with 3 functions. So the 3 functions are, one is the full rain, then we have an intense flow in the center, which is a concentrated flow kind of a thing.
Okay.
Along with that, we have 4 mist options in the shower. If you don't want mist, we have twin waterfall in that.
Okay.
In the same size. Instead of mist, we can give you a twin waterfall concept.
Okay.
Or the column also. Column is something like a foam flow of water. Okay. You can actually refer the videos. We have it on YouTube as well as on our official websites.
Okay.
So you can see the functionality of the showers on the, like how it works, what are the different modes, what all I told you, like the mist or the cascade or the massage or the column. All that actually you can see the videos for the reference. Okay. So that is 2 feet shower. Then comes these ones. These are with 4 functions.
Okay.
These are called as Rainjoy Plus showers.
Okay.
These are with 4. One is the full rain. Then again we have a intense flow. We have a massage in the center and the 4 mist options on the corner.
Okay.
And again this is also with the chromotherapy light option. Same functions with the oval shape is this one.
Okay. So basically, in our Jaguar section, in our ceiling showers, we never had dual.
That was
showers.
a single function.
Okay.
Whereas in Artis, it is with minimum 2 functions. We have 3 to 4 functions option.
Right.
So these are the different shower varieties on ceiling showers. So apart from this, the biggest shower actually that is not here on display, but you can refer the catalog for that.
Okay.
The 3 feet shower.
Got it.
And again, these are all the different models like with single lever mixers, the twin handle mixers and all. I would just like to show you one model. This is called as Lexa. This is a joystick operation.
Okay.
So you operate like a joystick for mixing hot and cold, and it is with a like sheet of water coming out. Maybe you can use this for bucket filling or tub filling.
Okay.
And same concept we have in shower also. The same sheet kind of water coming out. So these are all very exclusive designer range with joystick and a different kind of flow in the water.
Correct.
And we also have a coordinating basin mixer for it.
Wow, this looks cute. So how does this work again? Same mechanism?
Same mechanism. It's a joystick operation, hot and cold mixer.
This is another joystick
Yes.
operation?
Yes.
Okay. But this is again with the
This
shower
is a
ends.
regular joystick diverter, whereas this is with that cascade kind of a flow.
Okay. And this is to change into hand shower?
Shower, overhead shower.
Overhead shower. Okay.
When you want to on your shower, no, when you on this, water comes here first by default. When you on, you pull this, it diverts to your shower.
Okay. In this, we don't have a 3 diverter system.
No. This comes with 2. But if you want to add on a hand shower in this, the same model, we have a option of button over here.
Okay.
So that externally you can connect a hand shower to this.
Okay. Got it.
But not internally.
Okay.
That is a twin handle mixer.
Okay.
Like you have seen a single lever and thermostatic mixer. Instead of that, this is a twin handle mixer. You operate hot and cold separately. This is for hot and this is for cold. You will have to manually mix how much hot and cold you want.
Okay.
So this is the bucket filling spout and this is again to divert to the shower.
Got it.
So these are all different ranges. And this one is also very exclusive. See, this is like this off. This is off. It starts with cold water and gradually you move this, the temperature will go on increase.
Okay.
Usually you know that single lever is left and right, but this one is just one side. If this is off, it starts with cold and you gradually move this, the temperature will go on.
Go on. Okay.
So that's how it is.
So this comes with 2,
this
you
is to
usually
set the
have
temperature and this is to divert. See, this is off. 1 for the shower and 2 for the spout. Like that.
And this works, I don't know.
This is exclusive patented model actually.
Okay.
It's a mixer. So it mixes with the body.
So Artis definitely has some very interesting concepts, guys. The designs are really impressive, and one must definitely check these for premium designs.
So again, this is a body shower concept
Okay.
from Artis. Like what you saw below was displayed on a panel, but when it gets concealed inside a wall, this is how it comes out.
Okay.
So this is how it looks. And again, these are the body showers. There's a thermostatic mixer with a bucket filling, and we have shown a ceiling shower here. So you'll have to make false ceiling and fix the shower, or if you don't want a ceiling shower, you can also fix a regular shower onto the wall as well.
Okay.
So again in Artis also we have thermostatic mixers. The concept remains the same, but actually in Artis the one good thing is the same thermostat we have with single outlet up to 5 outlet. Like in Jaguar we had only single, 2 and 3 maximum.
Yeah.
Whereas in Artis we have up to 5 outlet option.
Okay.
Like as I told you, we have showers with multiple functions.
Correct.
So each connection from a thermostat should go to the shower. So we have up to 5 outlet option. For example, in this we have fixed a 5 outlet thermostat, where the first outlet will be going to your bucket filling option. The second one is for the body shower, and the third one is for the full rain. The fourth one is for the intense flow, and the fifth one is for the cascade flow.
Okay.
So like that, depending on the showers what you select, the outlet of the thermostat can be suggested. But one good thing is, with one single composite unit, you have multiple outlet options.
Correct.
And you don't have multiple knobs for different functions of the shower.
Yeah.
So it looks very minimal and neat. With just one handle, you can operate the complete concept.
Okay, so say you mentioned we have body showers, we have spout, we have a head shower. Say I wanted to add a hand shower, like I want to minus something and add a hand shower.
It can be done. Even if you don't want to minus anything, and plus if you want to add on a hand shower to it, we can just give a button spout here and connect a hand shower to it.
Okay.
So that can be externally connected. Or if you are taking a smaller shower only with 2 functions, then if you want, the hand shower can be internally connected and it can be given separately.
Okay.
Instead of connecting it from the spout. So depending on the concept or showers what they select, we can suggest on that.
Okay, perfect. So guys, like Tara ma'am mentioned, we have 5 different functions happening in a single diverter. So you can use the spout, different shower systems, or you can even change to body showers and your hand shower.
So this is a unit called as Showertronic IV6, and I can call it as a thermostatic and flow static. It's a digital thermostat basically. As I shown you there, that was a manual thermostat where you adjust the temperature and divert the water. Whereas here it's a touchpad operation where you can set the temperature and you can also set the flow rate.
Okay.
It's a flow static as well. So you can exactly set the temperature, what temperature of water you want. Apart from that, like if you want to set the flow rate of your shower, like if you want to have only 15 liters or 20 liters of water coming out from your shower or your body shower, you can set the flow rate also in this.
Okay. Even is it even pressure that can be set, or it's only
No,
the
it's
flow
the
rate?
flow rate.
Okay. Got it.
So flow and temperature can be set in this, and this is with 6 outlet options.
Okay.
Okay, so depending on the concept, we can give you like whatever options you want, like bucket filling or hand shower or the shower and body showers. All that options can be given in this, and these are the 6 outlets what you can see, and by pressing this you can operate the showers.
And there's no problem if I have a wet hand and I'm
Nothing.
pressing it?
Even this is IP65 rated, so even water falls on it also, nothing will happen while taking the shower and all. It is all taken care, very well taken care, so no issues with it.
Okay.
And apart from all that, like this is the play and pause button, and here we have the plus and minus for temperature setting and flow setting also here. And this button is a warmer button. Basically, like when you get into a shower, initially you will get this cold water which is there in your pipeline, and after a few seconds or a minute only, the hot water starts.
Correct.
So to avoid that, before you get into the shower, maybe you can just press this and leave it. So it after 20 seconds, it will start flushing out the cold water which is there in your hot water line, and keeps your shower ready at the set temperature. So once you get into the shower area, you need not wait for hot water to come.
Correct.
So it will preset by itself. And apart from that, hygienic wise, it has very good features like disinfection mode and anti-cleanup mode kind of a thing for hygienic purpose. Like with the set temperature what you have, it will like flush out water through your showers and body showers, like flushes with more pressure, which cleans the nozzles of your showers and body showers. So it's very hygienic. And the same function is done like maybe once in a year by our technicians. Same process is done at a very high temperature available in your geyser or your solar. It kind of sterilizes your pipeline like cleans, even if there is any germs or any fungal or anything, whatever it is, it will clean up the entire thing. So it is very hygienic.
Okay. And how was the installations different from the regular ones? Because this is a more automated kind of a model.
See, the installation for this is very simple. As you can see, these two units, that is the main unit for this. That's called as CPU, we call it as. So all the connections, plumbing connections and all done to that.
Okay.
So these two units will actually go above your fall ceiling. And only this unit will be visible in your shower area.
Okay.
Okay, so the main connections are all done to that. The inlet of hot and cold and the 6 outlets what we have, everything is connected in that itself.
Okay.
Okay, and this is one of the highest precision level product.
Okay.
Like 0.01% precision level is maintained. So whatever the flow or the temperature you are setting, it is more or less very precise.
Okay.
Okay, and one more thing in this I just want to add on. This has 2 cold inlet and 2 hot inlet.
Okay.
So we have a separate hot and cold inlet for your body showers and a separate hot and cold inlet for the other shower part. So the benefit in this is, one is there is no pressure drop. See, in other fittings, what happens when you simultaneously operate body shower with the shower, there may be a little flow drop or a pressure drop. But when you have a separate connection for it, you will not have that issues.
Correct.
So you can have a better experience with this. And apart from that, this also have a battery backup unit.
Okay.
20 minutes battery backup will be there. In case if there is a power failure, nowadays everybody will have the backup as well, like generators and all. So it can work on generators also. But still, by the time it switches to the UPS or a generator, it can manage by itself.
For
So you will have no interruptions when you are having your shower. So without any interruptions, you can experience the shower. And this one is also with alarm system. Like if it shows like the alarm 1, 2, 3 like that it shows. Like if there is no hot water in your geyser and if there is no sufficient water in your tank. So similarly it will show you the alarm. So few alarms can be rectified by the customer himself.
Okay.
Or if there is any malfunctioning, if whatever the alarm number it is showing, if you convey it to our customer care people, they will come prepared for it.
Okay.
So they will know why it is showing with like alarm 3 means what is the like problem with it. So they will come prepared for it.
Okay.
So it will not take much time to get rectified.
So where does the alarm display?
Here, yes, here itself. It will show you. So that is also there. And this will also have auto calibration system.
What is that?
Auto calibration is in case usually what happens is simultaneously if any 2 bathrooms are used together, if you are using this bathroom and simultaneously if another bathroom is used by another user, there will be a pressure fluctuation. There will be a pressure drop and there will be a fluctuation in the pressure. So with this model, that will not happen. It will auto-calibrate by itself. So you will not be feeling that difference in the shower experience.
Okay. That's interesting. So this makes life easier and it's a complete automated system. So this is then only in RT section? We don't have anything such in Jacquard. Okay. So guys, that's another speciality from the RTs section.
I'll just show you the different color options what we have.
Okay.
So these are the different colors what we have.
So this is the copper.
Yeah, this is antique copper and this is gold dust.
Okay.
This is full gold.
Okay.
And this is the graphite grey.
Okay.
And this is black chrome.
Okay.
This is antique bronze.
Okay.
This is matte white. This is our regular chrome.
Okay.
This is how the regular chrome is. And this is the black matte.
Okay, so you've shown me so many finishes. Say I want to order. This also comes with a waiting period?
Yes. Any model in color options will take minimum 4 to 6 months.
Okay, and in RT section, otherwise other products will be readily available?
Most of them. See, mainly what happens when it comes to construction, initial stage, a plumbing stage, you may require the concealed items immediately,
Correct.
whichever goes into the wall. So that is mainly required for a plumber to do his work.
Correct.
So most of the concealed items will be readily available with all our dealers. They
Okay.
will have the stock, so they can buy the concealed items immediately. And other outer fittings, they will have time. Even the customer will have time till the tiling is done up to the final stage.
So basically, what you're trying to tell is your concealed items are sort of a standard item which can fit to a lot of faucet options.
Nothing like that. It is not common in few concepts,
Okay.
but in artists it's not like that.
Okay.
We have different models with different kind of mechanisms. See, some are joystick, some are regular, some are twin handle. So the conceal for each concept is different.
Okay.
Okay, so that is the reason for each concealed concept, the concealed is different. So you need to finalize on the concept, and then you need to buy the concealed as per the concept whatever you have selected.
Okay.
And when it comes to color, again you will have to wait for the concealed item also.
Oh, okay. So say I want to take matte grey, I'll have to wait for its concealed product.
Also for about 6 weeks. So these are the frameless shower enclosures. Like the ones what we saw below was a framed and a standard enclosure.
Correct.
Whereas this one is a frameless and a complete customizable enclosure concept.
Okay.
So with whatever size you want, we can customize either a corner or wall to wall or just a fixed glass. All those options are possible.
Okay.
And even the height of it. If you, the standard height is around 1950 mm, which is around 6.5 feet. But if you want, we can have up to maximum 2200 mm.
Okay.
So the extra height. Basically for steams and all, we usually keep this extra height enclosures and have a false ceiling for it when it comes to steams. So that option is there and it is completely customizable. And all these patch fittings are like brass hinges with chromium plated. Again, you will have 5 years warranty for all that with all food grade beadings with magnetic strip. Everything you will have 5 years warranty. And again, that glass is a 8 mm thickness toughened glass. And with same anti-lime scale coating on the inner part for the better maintenance. And apart from all this, we have the option of texture. If you don't want to just have a plain glass, we have completely frosted or just the frosted lines or the box or the textured finishes.
Okay.
I can show you few samples for it, how it is possible.
Okay. So this is basically earlier we had seen sliding ones, and this is the open.
door.
So usually these come opening out or opening in.
However, if you want inside opening, we can give you inside or outside.
Okay.
Both are possible. And this comes with a towel rod come handle outside and a handle inside.
Okay, perfect.
So this is how the textured glass look like.
Okay.
So if you want just the center glass to be textured or the complete ones you need to be textured, it can be done. So a kind of opaque kind of look will be there.
Okay.
So these are the different textures what we have.
Okay, so these are basically etching patterns.
Yes, it is all like done through sandblasting process. So not sticker kind of a thing.
Okay.
So this fully frosted or lines or box or textured or textured with frosted, all that.
Okay, perfect.
So this is our Rids collection, which is a designer collection in shower enclosures.
Okay.
With square supporting rods and the hinges are designed very well, and even the door handle. So this is our designer range of shower enclosure.
Okay, got
With
it.
the same openable door, either you wanted wall to wall or corner, so same applications, and it's a customizable concept.
Okay, got it.
These are our RT ceramics, what we have. So here also we have wall hung commodes, then tabletop wash basins, and color wise again we have black matte and white matte as well. So this is the only commode as of now. We have it in black matte and white matte, and these are the 3 basins with all the 3 color options.
Okay.
Like when it comes to RT ceramics, totally the quality of the clay what we use to the manufacturing process or even the glazing thickness and even the seat cover quality, everything differs. It's on a very higher side.
Okay.
And the finishing also will be have a very fine finishing. Even the glazing is very high. So maintenance wise, it is very easily maintainable, and all are rimless again.
Okay,
For
all are
easy
rimless.
maintenance. So all these models
Uh-huh.
all are with UF slip covers.
Mhm.
So these are the RT's pneumatic flushing system. So the regular conceal system what you saw was again the regular pattern. What is different in pneumatic is one thing, it is very smooth to operate. So when you operate, it is like a feather touch, very smooth to operate, and the noise is very low. When
Okay.
compared to your regular flushing system, the noise is low, like usually night times. If you want to flush, it comes out with more noise.
Correct.
So whereas in this, the noise is very low, and you will get a very beautiful glass panels,
Okay.
the flushing panels with black, white, coordinating to your tiles or the fittings you can match. This is basically RT's electronic wall hung closet. So this is the control panel, the remote where you can operate through,
Okay.
and it also has the sensor. It
Okay.
opens by itself and closes. It will have the auto sensor for opening and closing as well as flushing, all that.
Okay.
Like in Jaguar, the electronic WC what we had, the fully automatic with remote was a floor mounted one, whereas this is a wall hung model. This is a control for it to operate the jets. So again, you will also have the jets here with the front and rear jets, with the seat heater, with auto flushing, auto opening, closing, all that. Where you can set the temperature for hot water. So almost all the features are there, and look wise also it is aesthetically better looking when compared to the regular floor mounted ones.
And the remote is always going to be at the back, or
However
I mean
you
the
want
control.
to. You can place it on this wall or that wall, wherever you have the space, you can place it there.
Okay. Got it.
So these are the designer range wash basin mixers what we have from RT's.
Okay.
And this particular one is called as Tiara. It's like a jewelry piece in a bathroom.
Okay.
Kind of a thing, and it is designed by a renowned designer called Mr. Michael Foley.
Oh.
And it has won 3 awards. Good Design, Ellie Decor, and Plus 6 awards.
Okay.
And operating wise, it's very exclusive. Like you operate it like this. It comes like this. Okay. So mixing of hot and cold is through turning the knob.
Okay.
Here and there. And this particular model, we have the complete range for your bathroom also.
Okay.
Like we have the same matching ceiling mounted shower with thermostat. So complete one bathroom can have the same concept or the design.
You mentioned water gets hot to cold by just this mechanism.
Yes, by
So it
turning
starts with
cold water.
cold,
So when you on,
and then
it starts with cold. When it comes to center, it is hot and cold, and complete left will be hot.
Okay,
We have
got
not connected hot. So that's how it is.
Okay, got it.
And apart from this, this is called as stain water.
Okay.
It's a bird-shaped tap.
Okay.
So you operate it with the tail of a bird.
Okay.
Very exclusive. And even this has won a Red Dot Design Award, and it has been showcased in the Red Dot Studio in Singapore.
Okay, so these two tap fixtures can come with any table-mounted or countertop wash basin, or it has to be with these.
See,
two?
actually, these basins are particularly designed for these mixers.
Okay.
Okay, see, because this basin and this tap is in the same shape, and this basin basically for this tap, the placement of the tap should be onto the side. So when you see it from the front, you can see that bird shape. If it is fixed onto the front, you can't see that shape.
Okay.
So that's the reason we have designed the basins according to these mixers.
Okay, so it has to always come along with this.
It is
for
not
a pleasing view.
compulsory, but it is designed for it.
Okay, got it.
So it is a perfect match basically. But still, if you want to mix and match, and if you want to have a different basin, whichever is suitable for that, we can suggest.
Okay, got it.
So this is called as Confluence. Basically, it's a biomorphic design inspired by a half-cut bamboo concept.
Oh, okay.
Like in olden days, people used to use half-cut bamboos for channelizing the water. So keeping that concept in mind, this has been designed.
Okay.
But along with that, we have also like combined that foam flow of water. Usually natural flow means you will not have that bubble kind of foam flow in the water, but here it is combination of both.
Okay.
You will have that foam flow, it falls and flows.
Okay.
So it's combination of foam flow and natural cascade flow.
Okay, got it.
Okay, and this is again a hot and cold mixer, and even in this we have a coordinated shower concept as well. Apart from this, I would just like to show you this shower.
Okay.
This is called as tumble shower.
Okay.
So this is again inspired by like the bucket bath concept. So you put water through a mug. So here it fills and tumbles down. Wow, like this.
Okay.
So you need not pour water from a bucket and a mug. So it pours by itself.
Okay.
So it can something different like children
But
bathroom.
for this, do I have to
No.
operate with?
Through that, you will have the control everything inside.
Okay.
Here to show the live demo, we have just kept this control outside.
Okay.
Or else you will be controlling through those thermostatic mixer or whatever mixer you select. Through that only you will be controlling the
So
shower.
I can have both hot and cold
Yes,
like
yes.
the normal way and have it cold.
Instead of having a shower,
Mhm.
you will be using this.
Mhm.
Or you can use this as an add-on shower. I showed you those ceiling shower options.
Correct.
So you can use those ceiling showers. Additional to that, you can have this shower also.
Okay.
So you'll have multiple options and concepts in the shower area. Like kids' bathroom and all, it will be like they enjoy it.
Correct.
So you can use this for kids' bathroom.
So guys, this is a very exclusive piece for kids and I definitely loved it a lot. I mean, it's interesting and kids will definitely enjoy and feel joyous about this concept.
This model is called as Fleur. It's again inspired by a flower vase.
Okay.
Like as you can see, this is like a flower vase and you can actually keep natural flowers into it. Like a flower vase. So these are the mixer, hot and cold.
Okay.
These are the operating knobs. You mix hot and cold with this. So the water fills and overflow. Again, this is a natural flow and you can keep natural flowers into it like a flower vase.
Okay.
So it is, you can use this for your dining area or powder room kind of a thing for an exclusive area basically. And this is a borosilicate material with again anti-limescale coating inside, which is easy for maintenance.
Got it.
So this one is called as Linea. It is a very minimalistic basin mixer.
Okay.
Like usually a basin tap will have one spout and one lever to operate. But here you operate with the spout itself. So you on like this.
Okay.
Okay. And the outlet of water is here. So when you on, by default, the water starts from here at 30 degrees. And when it comes to center, it is hot and cold mixed. And this is completely hot.
Okay.
And one amazing thing is when you off this, the water completely stops here.
Okay.
And when it comes to this position, not even a drop of water falls there. So it is a very high precision product. So that much flow of water is completely stopped at that point.
This again, I'm sure, is designed with the same. I mean, it's best suited with the same wash basin.
Same basin.
Okay.
These basins are designed particularly for these basin mixers. So these are few kitchen mixers.
Okay.
Okay, with pull-out option and flexible hose kind of a thing.
Okay.
All are hot and cold mixers.
Okay.
Basically for a counter-mounted sink mixers. So here what happens, like you can pull out this and use this for multi-purpose, like maybe for washing for your counter, or you want to fill in water in a bowl and all those things, where you can pull out and use, as well as you will also have a swivel option.
Okay, and this is
You will have two spray modes in this. One is a regular foam flow and a spray type of thing. This is without pull out. This is just a flexible one, where you can pull and just use it flexibly. Again, this is with the same pull out option, but different design. the body design is something different.
So how much of it can I pull? What's the stretch?
Almost it will be around this much. Yeah, 2 feet kind of a thing.
Okay.
Yeah, this is RT's Quadro Whirlpool.
Okay.
One of the designer Whirlpool. Basically, as you can see,
Mhm.
the covering panels what we have are maple water treated wood panels,
Okay.
which adds on to your bathroom ambience. One
Mhm.
of the designer one.
Mm-hmm.
And apart from the design aspects,
Mm-hmm.
it has extra features of online heater.
Okay.
So whatever the water you fill in, the hot water,
Mhm.
the temperature will be maintained. It will have online heater option in this,
Mhm.
which heats up the water, and this will also have a remote option like this for controlling the water jets or air jets, or increasing and decreasing the pressure of water jets and air jets,
Mhm.
and all those things. And even look wise, the jets are more of concealed kind of jets.
Okay.
So the look or aesthetical look of the jets are much better.
Mm-hmm.
Even this also will come with the chromotherapy light.
Okay.
And material wise also, this is a lucite acrylic, one of again the superior quality of acrylic what we use in this,
Mm-hmm.
with the Technogel headrest,
Mm-hmm.
and with the wooden covering panels.
Okay. And maintenance of this will happen? Like, do we
You
have
can
to
remove these panels. Yes,
Okay.
all these are removable kind of panels only.
Mhm.
In case of any maintenance, these panels can be removed and you can access the whole inside, like the motors or the pipes, whatever is there.
Mhm.
It can be accessed and serviced.
Okay.
So any product, whatever we deal with, all will have the option of maintenance wise. Like
Mhm.
all the accessibility will be there
Mm-hmm.
for servicing or maintenance on that.
And here we need to drain off the water,
Yes.
right?
Once using, after usage, you'll have to drain out. There is no filtration system. In this, you can't add any kind of soap, nor oils, nor any essence.
Mhm.
It is mainly for your complete body massaging and relaxation,
Okay.
which happens through the jets with hot water.
Okay.
Okay?
So no bath salts and all of that also?
No, we usually don't suggest.
Okay.
Because again, see what happens, the water jets what we have, like it circulates the same water.
Mhm.
So the same water, if you add on some oil or some soap or any like salts and all,
Mhm.
the same water is circulated, so it may affect the pipes or the motors internally.
Okay.
So we usually suggest plain hot water.
Mm-hmm. Got it.
This is one of our designer Tiara range freestanding bathtub.
Okay.
So you have seen the regular whirlpools or the regular bathtubs, but these are the range in freestanding.
Okay.
There's no jets in this.
Okay.
It's a plain tub, but it's a freestanding, like a kind of island piece.
Mhm.
Even if you want to keep it in the center of your bathroom, also you can place, and we can have a very exclusive flow-mounted fillers for it,
Mhm.
for filling water into the tub,
Mhm.
and you can completely relax in this.
Okay.
So these are mainly for better ambience or a good-looking kind of bathtubs,
Okay.
which adds on to the beauty of your bathroom.
And also, I think the sleek design that this
This
has
is
is
a
for your
matte finish actually.
backrest.
Yeah.
So this
Yes.
curve that we have is for your backrest.
It gives you a very comfortable this thing. You'll
Backrest.
be very comfortable sitting inside.
Mm-hmm. Can these bathtubs be used as dual systems where one can even relax and one can even have a shower? Like if we install a shower.
You can take shower, but usually if it is a freestanding like this, if it is in the center, maybe you'll just have one hand shower, because
Okay.
showers will not be there.
Mhm.
If you want to use this for your showering purpose also, you can use.
Okay.
So this is again a steam cabinet.
Mm-hmm.
We saw a basic model below, whereas this one is a RT's steam cabinet, again 4x4 size, where you have inbuilt steam with body showers, with the ceiling shower, and also a cascade shower
Mm-hmm.
along with it. And here the beauty is like you won't see the showers projecting out.
Correct.
It is completely concealed. Just the nozzles are popping out.
Mhm.
So it's very minimalistic look, and you have body showers on both the sides,
Okay.
like L shape. You have it on that side and this side. Then you have a ceiling shower and a cascade. You will also have a chromotherapy light in this with the digital control for operating steam, and you will also have a manual control for operating showers.
Okay, and this again is a standard
Size. This
Okay.
can't be customized, but in this actually we have 3 different colors.
Okay.
One is white, then we have one gray and one brown.
Okay.
So 3 shades are there, color options are there. in
Okay,
this.
lovely. So, guys, this is for a seamless experience of a bath shower area or for your showering purposes, where none of your accessories are seen, just about 2 mixers, which you'll hardly see in the entire cabin. And for your better aesthetics in the bathroom, I think you should go for this. Even your head shower does not have any accessories or fixtures seen.
These are the artist accessories what we have. Like again the towel racks or the single. Actually in artist we have dual towel rails.
Okay.
Not only the single, the dual and the towel racks. And again design wise, as you can see, artist designs are very exclusive. One of the classy looking, and these are the row hooks behind the door, then toilet roll holder, the towel holder, and we also have these WC brush holders, the soap dish, tumbler holder, and all that.
Okay.
Apart from this, again, we have few models where you can go through the catalog or our website.
And guys, you can also visit the orientation center to check out all their models personally. Tara ma'am and her team will definitely give you all the technical information here and clear all your doubts, which will be very subjective to your own houses. You can visit the orientation center, which is in Shivaji Nagar, Bangalore, and the location is given in the description below. Thank you.